Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 comments past question. Question number 44 says, which of the following is a modern means of communication? Modern means of communication that is recent or trending, that is new, means of communication that is passing message to people across the globe. A. Graphene. B. Email. C. Whistles. D. Town crier. The correct option here is option B, which is email. The full meaning of email stands for electronic mail. Then the word mail simply means message, electronic message. And of course you agree with me that message is also a communication, so message is also a communicative channel. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.